Draw a block diagram of a generalized communication system and write the functions of first one, a transmitter and a receiver. The generalized block diagram of a communication system looks like this. Okay, first we have the source, information source. In the collect the information source, and that is converted to a message signal here. Message signal, and the information source will go to the transmitter. From the transmitter it will go to the channel, and before channel it is converted as a transmitted signal. In the channel the noise, everything, it will be added. Then it will go for the receiver as a received signals. Then through the message signal it will go for the user of information. So this is the communication system. Okay, and the functions of the transmitter is, a transmitter processes the incoming message signal so as to make it suitable for transmission through a channel and subsequent reception. This is the function of the transmitter. Second is receiver. A receiver extracts the desired message signal from the received signals at the channel output. This is the function of the receiver.